All right, I have my cool Pixel Orchard storefront here. The artwork here is themed fairly similarly. Um, Physical products up top, images for sale down here at the bottom. And today I want to create some artwork to make either a coffee mug or a t-shirt. And to do that, I would like the artwork to have a transparent background. So we are going to use Pixar's chat assistant down here to create some artwork similar to what we already have and request that it does it with a transparent background. I need to create two new images similar to some we already have, but with transparent backgrounds. Just correct my little spelling issue here and send. So Pixar's AI assistant will think away for a moment, choose the correct tools. Uh, yep, it shows you the prompt it shows down here. You can go ahead and say confirm, and it will begin to generate the images. Also notice that we have this transparent ping requested badge here that lets us know that the system understood that we did indeed request transparent backgrounds. All right, we got one image back, waiting on one more. All right, both our images returned. We can scroll down a little bit and see we can now mock all on a mug. So we'll see what we can do there. Pixar Studio is going to think for a moment, and then we get these neat little mock-up cards, one with our transparent image we just created, and one with the mock on the actual coffee mug. So yeah, actually, I think I like the second one a bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and just I can say sell this to add it directly to my store, but because the image itself seems like it's sort of cut out of the bounds of the printable area of the mug, you can do things like say shrink it 10%, and it will slowly shrink the artwork into the printable area if you try it a few times. But I'm just going to go ahead and say sell this. It will instantly add it to my store. And let's see here, view my store. And there you have it. A brand new image added to my store with plain English that created the artwork and the product. And that's it for today, folks. Thanks.